this video, we're going to go through an easy step-by-step guide on how to set up your personalised profile in the MBUX multimedia display. To get started, I'm going to select the profiles icon on the top right corner of my display. If that doesn't pop up, simply go back to home so you can find it easily. From here, I'm going to select create profile, and I can select from the icons and then add my name before clicking OK in the right-hand corner. Now you can choose from current settings or factory settings. Always stick to current settings. You might find if you select factory settings, it will delete all of the information such as radio stations. So from here, I'm going to select continue, and it will load before asking me a few questions. Because the MBUX is very intelligent, it will monitor your driving characteristics, and on this section of your profile, it will ask you if you would like the car to make suggestions. From here, it will work out what kind of navigation you generally use, where you tend to drive, who you might usually call, or what radio stations you might like to use. So I'm going to ask my car to make suggestions and accept. That way, every morning, my car will tell me which is the quickest way to get to work. Select continue from here, and you can easily put in your home address if you'd like to save that to the navigation. What we usually recommend doing is to hit edit address. You can type in a postcode, a street name, or even an area, depending on what you prefer, before clicking OK and selecting the tick on the screen. After this, you can add your phone. So I'm going to click on connect phone, open up the Bluetooth page on my mobile. So your car needs to be looking for your phone and your phone looking for your car for this to work. Once the systems start talking to each other, then you can select the MBUX display on your phone. The screen will tell you the exact identifier, so usually MBUX followed by 5 digits. Your phone will then pop up as a selection on the search results on your screen, so you can select it from there, and your phone will ask you to pair and then allow to start syncing your contacts. And it's really important from here that you allow your phone options to be able to sync everything so that you can use it in your multimedia display. We hope you found our handy step-by-step guide useful. Don't forget, you can always pause the video as you're setting up your personalised profile, and our star experts are always on hand in our South West showrooms to go through controls with you in person.